Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add music on your Instagram post. To add music on your Instagram post, firstly open your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now tap on add button at the bottom of your screen. Now choose the photo that you want to post. Now tap on next button at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on music symbol at the top of your screen. Now tap on the music that you like. Now tap on tick button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on next button at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on share. This is how you will be able to add music on your Instagram post. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you will never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.